Welcome back to our last unit of the year for second grade, which is going to be engineering and design. This week I'm going to give two sets of directions. So pay close attention to whichever one is going to be for you. This week you're going to actually be starting that scientific process that has to do with either enhancing an object or creating a new object. So first I want to go over for those people that are going to enhance an object what they should be doing. First of all, with a family member, make sure to make his list of as many objects as you can that are yours. And I would say 10 is probably a good solid number. Then on that list, I want you to choose 5 of those objects that could be changed for the better and write how you can change them. The reason I'm saying choose 10 is because some of the things that you think that could be enhanced might be shared property, or it might be something that you really don't want to change. So it's good to have options. An example that I have is a pencil box. You could change this to make it more colorful or less boring, or you could do something to it to make it even better. And that's really what the enhancement is. And it's something that's yours, and it's something that's pretty easy to change. And if something goes wrong with it, you can always go purchase another one or create another one because they're pretty cheap. That's why I would suggest something like that. Make sure you select one of those 5 objects that you'll be changing or enhancing as your project. For those of you that are creating a new object, you have a slightly different set of directions here. So make a list of the things that you might want to create to make your life easier. And for this, I'm not giving a number because you might have one at the top of your head that you know is going to be the one. As you think about it, make sure to talk with your parents to see if any of them might be easier to create than others. The reason I say that is because sometimes some of the things that you want to create could take a really long time, and we need this done by the end of the year. So you might have to make it something a little easier. Once you decide on something that you would like to create, think about what you want to do and what you want to make it look like. This week you really don't have to record anything because this is going to be an idea that's in your head, but next week you'll be doing all of your planning out of the project, so you may want to get a head start on that. For your literacy connection this week, now that you have your note cards created for your speech and you should have an idea of what you're going to be doing, get out those note cards and you're going to be filling or answering the questions on a couple of those. So since you've chosen your object, you'll be writing your answer to the following note cards. What is the object you would like to enhance or create? So this is the one where you're going to state what you're creating. And why do you want to enhance or create that object? So you're not only telling me what you're doing, but why you're doing it. Why would you want to make a pencil box look better? Why would you want to create something new to make your life easier, hopefully? As you write out your answers, write them exactly as you will speak them, so make sure to write them in complete sentences. And for this, again, since it's your first speech, you may want your parents to help you in what you'll be stating.